Hello everybody and welcome back to Vegetarian Foodies. Today we have a recipe for lemon curd. For those of you wondering why I'm uploading the same recipe twice, I uploaded a lemon curd recipe a few years ago and it was a very traditional method. I've since discovered much easier and more simplified ways to do something as basic as lemon curd, and I feel like it's something we should all know the shortcuts to, because it just cuts down the time and effort so much, which also makes it a lot less daunting and hopefully will get more people cooking. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a great day. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed. In a large bowl, beat 3 ounces or 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter softened at room temperature with 1 cup of sugar for about 2 minutes. Slowly add the 2 large eggs and 2 large egg yolks and beat for 1 minute. Mix in 2/3 of a cup of fresh lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of grated lemon zest. Add more zest if you're like me and like it a little more punchy and zesty. In a medium heavy base saucepan, cook the mixture over low heat until it looks smooth. Increase the heat to medium and cook, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens. Do not let it boil and do not let it burn. This should take about 15 minutes. The curd will be ready when you can lift the spoon and draw your finger through the curd on the back of the spoon, leaving a wide straight line where the curd will not close back up again. When it's done, remove the curd from the heat and pour straight into your sterilized ready jars on the bench. Don't quite seal the lids on top and let the curd cool to room temperature before sealing completely and adding to your fridge and freezer. In the fridge it will last for 1 week, in the freezer it will last for a few months.